This is inventory number 2673. It's a 50-ton, 4-post up-acting Wabash press. It has 4 daylights and it has electric Platens in it. We're going to go ahead and just run it through a 1 auto cycle, showing the press close, decompress, and open. Go ahead. Palm buttons have to be held to close the press. Once it's closed, starts to come up to pressure, they can be released. Now it's in low pressure, then it'll switch over to high pressure. Now it's in high pressure. Roll time out. It'll decompress and open to the bottom and shut off. That completes inventory number 2673, 50-ton Wabash.